Morning children. Today we will learn the lesson Unit 1 A reading Attitude is Altitude. We already finished our Appendix 1 and also Personality Development page. So we came to know everybody has to develop positive attitude. Come on, tell me the students, attitude means what? వైఖరి. తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? వైఖరి. అమ్మ అక్కడెక్కడ మనం తెలుగు వాడితే మీరు సుస్పష్టంగా బాగా నేర్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నౌ వి విల్ రీడ్ ద లెసన్ వన్స్ ఆర్ ట్వైస్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కంటెంట్ ఇన్ ద paragraphs. So read children silently. Please read. Okay, did you finish your reading? Now I will read. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, and or to get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Visi had faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Nick Visi was born with no arms and legs. But he does not let the details stop him. He was brave, 26 years old, who is mainly a torso. Plays football and golf and swims and surfs, despite having no limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles and had been lost without it. Water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of English Premier League. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. So children, I read you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs and 6 paragraphs we read. And now try to understand these paragraphs. I will explain you about these paragraphs. Children, look at this picture. By reading silently and while listening while I am reading, you may tell his name. What was his name? Yes, his name was Nick Visi. Oh, very good. Where did he born? He born in Melbourne, in Australia. Now, where did he live? Now he lives in Los Angeles. How was he? See, how was he? See clearly? Oh, he had no arms and limbs. Have you ever seen before this type of person in your life? No. Now, first time you are seeing this man. What do you call this type of person who had no limbs? You get it in your textbook. See, you get it in your textbook. Here, the word torso. Torso means, what is the meaning of torso? The person who has no limbs. That person is called as a torso. He had only trunk and head part. So, it is very difficult to lead a life as a torso. But now, what he was doing? See, what he was doing? Did you know the name of the game or where he was? Tell me. In the water. He was in the water. So what he was doing? He was swimming. Oh, you may imagine, without limbs, how he could swim in the water. That is the strong dedication of Nick to become a great player and great inspirer to the disabled people like him. Now, I will tell you clearly about Nick Vizzi. Come on, come to paragraph first. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning. As soon as you woke up, what we will do? What all we will do? We will stretch our arms for relaxation of muscles. To put in work, we will stretch our arms. Stretch means chachita. To help you scratch that itch. దోమ కుడితే ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? టక్కుని మన చేయిల్లు అక్కడ అటు ఇటు కలుపుతూ ఉంటుంది, సున్నితంగా నలుపుతుంది. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? గీక్కోటాన్ని ఇచ్. టు అలౌ యూ to wrap your arms around your loved ones. ఇక్కడ wrap means hug. మనకు చాలా ఇష్టమైన వాళ్ళని మనము కౌగిలించుకుంటాం, దగ్గర తీసుకుంటాం చేతులతోటి. It is too difficult for Tasso to do all these things. But he succeeded in life. That is the story in our lesson. See, imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down in the street. Usually what you will do when you walk on the streets, you will kick the pebbles with your, what you will do? Toes. Common thing it is. So, he has no that such type of possibility because he had no limbs. To walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard. Walk, for everything we need legs. To walk, run, bicycle or to do skating or get you from point A to point B. That means to move one place to another place. Point A to B means move from A place to B place. See children, then imagine both at once. At once means what here? He born without these two. That is the meaning. Which is what Nick Vizzi faced his whole life. He struggled with his disability in his whole life by living as Tasso. Have you heard something like this before? ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా ఇలాంటివి? ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు మాతృభాషలో చెప్తాను, ఎందుకంటే మీరు తెలుగు మీడియం కాబట్టి చెప్తున్నాను. చూడండి, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మన చేతులతో ఏం చేస్తాము? మనం చక్కగా ఉదయాన్నే లేస్తానే బద్ధకంగా పనిలో పట్టాలని కండరాలను సాగదీసుకుంటాం. ఆ తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాం? మనం ఏదైనా దోమ వాలిన ఏదైనా దురద అనిపించినా చేతులు పెట్టి గీక్కుంటాం మనం బాడీ మీద. అలాగే మనకి ఇష్టమైన వాళ్ళు కనిపించగానే అనుకోకుండా టక్కుమని వాటేసుకుంటాం మనకు చాలా ప్రియమైన వాళ్ళు కనిపించగానే. అలాగే మన చేతులతో మన కాళ్ళతో మనం చేస్తాం, ఏం పని లేకపోయినా నేల మీద తన్నుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం గులకరాలని బజారుల్లో. అలాగే నడవాలన్నా, పరిగెత్తాలన్నా, సైక్లింగ్ చేయాలన్నా, స్కేటింగ్ ఆడాలన్నా, ఒక స్థలం నుంచి ఇంకో స్థలంకి వెళ్ళాలన్నా మనం ఏం ఉపయోగిస్తాము? కాళ్ళని వాడతాం. ఈ విధంగా కాళ్ళు చేతులతో మనం నిత్యం చేసే పనులు చేస్తాం. మరి అటువంటి చైతన్యమైనటువంటి బాడీ ఉన్న మనకి అకస్మాత్తుగా అవి ఏమీ లేని ఒక అబ్బాయి పుట్టాడు. అతని పేరేంటి? నిక్ విజ్జి. మరి ఆ అబ్బాయి ఇలా పుట్టడం వల్ల జీవితంలో ఎన్ని కష్టాలు అనుభవించాడో మీరు ఊహించగలరా? ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా అసలు అట్లాంటి వ్యక్తిని? చూడండి ఏ విధంగా అతను తన జీవితాన్ని విజయవంతంగా చేసుకున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ పారా చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో కన్సర్న్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు రాస్తారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. పోనీ నేను చెప్తాను, చూడండి ఒకసారి. హూ వాస్ నిక్ విజ్జి? Does he has limbs? What do you do with your arms? What do you do with your legs? Is it easy to live without limbs? So, like this, you can ask WH questions in your paragraph, seeing the paragraph. Next, come to second paragraph. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs. So, once again, he is telling he born with no arms and legs. But he doesn't let details stop him. ikkada manam chala jagrattaga gamaninchalamma. But he doesn't let the details stop him. చెప్పదలుచుకుందంతా ఒక వాక్యం చెప్పాడు. Details means his progress, his development, personal development, his achievements will not stopped by his disability. What was his disability? No arms and no legs. See, come. The brave 26 years old. Who was 26 old boy? Man? Nick. How old was he? 26 years old. Who was mainly torso? I already told you. Torso means what? The person who has no limbs. That person is called as a torso. Please, whenever you got new vocabulary, please try to underline it. And try to write meaning also at once with the help of the pencil. Please write down. But what he can do? Plays football, golf. Plays football, golf. Swims and surfs. Despite having no limbs. Despite means ఏంటి? కాళ్ళు చేతులు లేకపోయినప్పటికీ కూడా he can do all these things. Oh, what a wonder, what a attitude he has.